If you're someone who hears the phrase program evaluation and automatically shuts down, please stick around anyway, because in the next few minutes you'll see why program evaluation deserves your attention and how it can help you improve and protect your program. You're not alone. Reluctance, fear, and lack of experience and resources are common barriers to effective fire service program evaluation, but doing it can be beneficial for many reasons. Evaluation should be an integral part of your program planning and management. That's why Vision 2020 has developed a range of training opportunities and online materials to help you get comfortable with it and use it as a method to achieve success. On the surface, program evaluation can seem like a daunting task, especially when you already have a full schedule. And let's admit, close scrutiny of a program can often feel threatening. But there's actually great value in seeing our work recognized, taken seriously, and yes, even measured. So why is program evaluation so important? A systematic assessment of a specific program provides useful feedback that can be influential to decision makers. It can help ensure that our busy schedules are well prioritized and that tight budgets will be preserved. And when it's understood, evaluation can be a morale builder for personnel. Without evaluation, it's very difficult to effectively show the results of your program or to convince others that your fire prevention efforts are worth the investment. When the people who hold the purse strings can't see a program's measurable value, they can't justify allocating resources to it. Your loss will be someone else's gain. Doing program evaluation determines if you're actually achieving what you set out to and how effectively you're doing it. It can give you the valuable data you need to communicate your program's impact on the target population. By documenting results, you can often protect your program's stability and survive funding cuts. Because one important use of your evaluation findings will be to communicate program results to others, it makes sense to use the terms they're familiar with. For most in the fire service, this audience will likely be partners or donors, administrators, community leaders, and other decision makers. There are 4 terms that are commonly used to describe the phases of program evaluation. They are formative evaluation, process evaluation, impact measures, and outcome measures. Very simply, formative evaluation describes the problem identification phase and early development of prevention planning. It may be inspired by fire department data or by a high-impact event in the community. Process evaluation generally describes planning for and actually implementing programs. Whether you use line personnel or prevention staff, the process of planning and implementation can make or break a program. Impact measures are educational gains or risk-reducing behaviors. Has your target audience changed the way they work or live in response to your program? And outcome measures are the changes or fire loss reductions that result from a program. For example, has a sprinkler ordinance in your community saved lives or impacted fire loss? Evaluation can be done for all of the services your department provides and by either line personnel or prevention staff. From public education to code enforcement and from fire investigation to plan review, your efforts and your department will benefit from evaluation. Evaluating a public education program may show a reduction in fire deaths as a result of fire department home visits and smoke alarm installations. A code enforcement program that initiates a building self-inspection program might document a reduction in false alarms. These are just examples, but we've posted real-world cases on the Vision 2020 website so you can see how your peers actually use evaluation to provide tangible measures of their service to their communities. I think you'll see that doing program evaluation consistently and properly, as they have, is well worth your time. Visit the Vision 2020 website to take advantage of free training opportunities that can help you develop strong evaluation skills and improve fire prevention in your community. Click to see how your colleagues in the fire service make model evaluation work for them. Visit the Vision 2020 website. Download the free Vision 2020 Fire Prevention Advocacy Guide. Forward this to a friend.